an Assange pack by one of the leading anti-Assange sock puppets. And you responded that you don't prefer to think of yourself as an Assange hack as much as Julian Assange's pet monkey. Could you tell us a little bit about what it means to be Julian Assange's pet monkey? Well, being Julian Assange's pet monkey means you go to the monkey courts and you try to understand what's going on from a monkey's perspective. And when you say monkey, what do you mean, Mary Ann? I don't really know. I think it's actually kind of like a fusion between primatology, anthropological perspectives, and my deep interest in human rights law. So when you say pet monkey, do you refer to Abu Ghraib? Well, basically I look at all humans as animals, and some animals think they are better than other animals, and this human animal that we are, which is so closely related to the monkeys, has a kind of a pecking order dominance games they play with other members of their own species. So when I see them picking on Julian Assange or picking on people in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, or rendering people in extraordinary rendition fights, I start to realize that the courts are basically there to prop up these structures, and that's sort of similar with all the torture memoranda brought forward by the Bush Six and the torture cronies that are the subject of the disbarred torture lawyers' proceedings, and whose torture legal doctrine can be seen on the ACLU FOIAs at disbarred torture lawyers, or through various court cases, for instance Jefferson Data Plan Inc., which is about torture from Sweden for the CIA with a private company, a Boeing company, Jefferson, which is given sovereign immunity, national security, secrecy clause immunity to conduct all kinds of brutal Islamophobic torture in flight, deporting people to countries where they will be tortured. And that's known information. It's been on the books. There's nothing new about that, and there's no reason why we should trust Sweden. Well, thank you, Mary. I hope you enjoy any future performances as Julian Assange's pet monkey. No problem.